All right, we're recording.
Investments are only.
All right.
We keep it coming.
Hold on.
Show me the money. Investments are only. We keep it coming.
Yo, what's up? It's Investment Talk Only. I'm your host, Johnny Ruiz. Got my co-host, Monique Benitez. What's good?
What's up?
So this is the show where you get financially educated with investments and entertained at the same time. Lucky for you.
Entertain.
Yeah. Today we're doing a explainer. And
Okay.
and actually this was kind of your idea. Like you want to tell how we got to this one?
So I know this sounds bad because everyone's gonna be like, really? So I just recently saw the movie. I can't even think, the name is slipping right now. What is it called?
Gosh.
I can't even think of it right now. Yes, that one. Wall Street. So what does that even mean? Like I know I remember, huh?
If you know, you know.
Okay, so I know the scene in the movie when he's doing that, but I'm like, whatever. I don't even know what it means, but so the movie was so good, and I watched it twice back to back. I was like, this is the dopest movie ever, and I'm mad that I'm just not seeing it. But anyway, so when it was about penny stocks or whatever, and I don't know, I just found it to be so interesting. One, that he got rich pulling schemes on that, and then two, I've lost money in a penny stock before because I was an idiot. The show is about penny stocks.
Yep.
Okay, so penny stocks are what people think is gonna get them rich quick. Like, oh yeah, I'm gonna throw all my money into this 10-cent.
Exactly. So yeah, on Wolf of Wall Street, if you haven't watched it, wow.
Yeah.
But you need to watch it. So yeah, in the movie, he's like making a bunch of money on selling people penny stocks, and so my favorite scene is this scene right here.
So where are your Quotrons?
Quotrons?
Yeah, computers.
No, we don't even need computers here. We just trade right off the pink sheets here.
Pink sheets?
Yeah, they're penny stocks. Companies that can't get listed on NASDAQ, they don't have enough capital, their shares trade here.
Penny stocks?
Yeah, this one, Aerotine, is a really interesting, Aerotine.
Aerotine, yeah.
A couple of brothers that are making radar detectors out of their garage. They're out of Dubuque. Maybe it's microwaves. I'm not sure, but you call the company's main line. Their mom, Dorothy, answers, and she is so sweet.
The company?
I actually don't know what else to... I don't know anything else about them other than that.
6 cents a share? Come on. Who buys this crap?
Well, I mean, honestly, mostly schmucks. Postmen, there's always postmen. Right. Plumbers, they see our ads in the back of Hustler and Popular Mechanics, and our ads actually say they can get rich quick.
Is this stuff regulated, or are you guys, what are you doing here? Hello, John. How you doing today? You mailed in my company a postcard a few weeks back requesting information on penny stocks that had huge upside potential with very little downside risk. Does that ring a bell? Okay, great. Well, reason for the call today, John, is something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. You got a minute? Name of the company, Aerotine International. It is a cutting-edge, high-tech firm out of the Midwest awaiting imminent patent approval on a next generation of radar detectors that have both huge military and civilian applications. Now, right now, John, the stock trades over the counter at 10 cents a share. And by the way, John, our analysts indicate it could go a heck of a lot higher than that. Your profit on a mere $6,000 investment would be upwards of $60,000.
So yeah, we have both military and civilian capability, and he sells the penny stock like if it's a Fortune 500 company, Apple, Microsoft, and the guy just eats it because people are greedy, so you can take advantage. And really, so that's what we're going to talk about. Penny stocks is not gonna lie, like that was a extreme example, but it's not much different in the real world. Penny stocks, this is the number one rule. You ready? Actually, let's define a penny stock.
Okay, yeah.
So obviously anything under $1 is like, you know, pennies. So that's obviously, you know, penny stocks or anything under $1. But people have other definitions as well. Some people push it out to just $2, but really, although I think the big brokerages, they say anything under $5 is a penny stock. And the reason why,
Mm.
you know, by like monetary definition, it's not a penny stock because it's not under $1. But anything under $5, and if it's 75 cents, it's all gonna behave the same way. It's gonna do some crazy stuff. Excuse me. It's gonna do some crazy stuff that like a real penny stock would do. If it's under $5, that means it's not an established company. Blah blah blah. So so that's what a penny stock is. A company that is publicly traded, that is very cheap to buy. All right. You know the number one rule of penny stocks? The number
Don't
one
buy
thing,
them?
the most important thing to know about penny stocks. What was that?
Don't buy them?
Nah. I
Or
mean,
is that not it?
no. I'm gonna show you a way where you could buy them strategically.
Okay.
The number one thing to know about penny stocks is they're all trash.
So, okay. So is it like if I made a company tomorrow and I like whatever made some LLC, I went public, whatever, and I have no like revenue coming in? Is that
Pretty
what,
much
like, a
no
penny stock is?
revenue, no history, no sales, nothing worth a damn. Just like who is this guy? Like I said, the Wolf of Wall Street is a exaggeration, but it's not that far off. So
But how did he even sell that? That's what I'm just confused. Like, how did he make? I mean, we could either talk about this offline or not, but I just don't understand like how he made so much money off of those penny stocks.
I'll tell you how.
Like, did these people not see that their money was not doing anything?
No, well, it goes up. We're gonna get into it, and I'm gonna show you exactly
Okay.
what I'm gonna get
Okay.
into when I share my screen. You're gonna know exactly how it happens. All right.
Okay.
Number one thing to know is, what is it?
They're not worth a damn.
No, they're all trash.
Oh, they're all trash. You're right.
Yeah.
They're all trash.
And it's not like,
I like not worth a damn better.
yeah, but no, they're all trash. All right, they're all trash. Don't believe them in the long term. All right, so they're all trash, and that's the reason why they're penny stocks. Now, can
Okay.
you make money off of them? And that's a hell yeah.
Yes.
You can make a lot of money off of them.
Okay.
So some people actually, they invest their entire portfolio regular, and then they put 20%, up to 20% just in penny stocks. And the reason why is because it's so risky. You don't want to put a lot. It's so risky, but the reward is so high that you can make a lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
And then so the number, I guess the second thing to know is, so say you're looking at a chart and you think this penny stock, you've been hearing about it. It's really good, or not really good. It's about to go up because they're all trash, so they're not good.
Mm-hmm.
You take your money out with the quickness. That's the name. That's the name of the game. It's buy the news, sell the hype, or buy the hype, sell the news. Whatever one.
Yeah.
Sorry, Google it. I forgot.
I think
But
it would make sense to be buy the hype, sell the news. Right?
Yeah. Oh, I think that is right. Buy the hype, sell the news. So people hype it up. You're hearing about this penny stock. It's about to blow up.
Uh-huh.
And as soon as that junk spikes, as soon as that thing spikes,
Mm-hmm.
You want to be strategic. Maybe like take a portion off, like half, and then maybe take a quarter as it goes up. But the sooner the better. If you felt like you got out too soon, then you did a good job. Because if you would keep it on for like another day or maybe even hours, man, that junk is gonna plummet, and I'm gonna show you. So when that thing spikes, after you look at the charts, you heard the hype about it, that thing spikes, take your profits, go on to the next one. or go to that back to that one another time, and I'll show you again because a lot of times these things spikes like every month or 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so how do you find these penny stocks that would even spike? Um, you can literally Google, or so go on forums
Mm-hmm.
and Twitter, stocktwits.com, Reddit, and just Reddit page or penny stocks. These
Mm-hmm.
people are talking about penny stocks all the time. That's all they do. And really, you're not putting, this is not due diligence. You're not putting in fundamental research. You're literally just hearing the hype about, if you go on 4 different platforms and you're hearing about the same stock,
Mm-hmm.
good indication it's probably going to go up. Like I said, 4 different ones. So
Okay.
Reddit, Twitter, stocktwits.com, this one, and they all talk about the same stock. You might want to put some in there because it might blow up in the next few days.
Mhm.
So because people are hyping it up. And these people
Yeah.
even have a title. They're called pumpers.
Are you
Yeah,
serious?
they're called pumpers. They pump up the stock. And if you're
Uh,
if you're a savvy investor, man, you're loving the pumpers. You're like, yes, keep on talking.
yeah.
Keep on blowing it up. Because unfortunately, people are gonna buy it and then gonna go down. And those people are gonna lose some money, but we're not here to, baby everybody. We're here to make money.
Yeah.
So you're looking at the pumpers like, keep doing your thing. I'm liking their posts, like.
Yeah.
Yeah, like yeah, he's talking that junk. He's doing good. And then so when that thing goes up, I made 50% profits and then I get out. So that's how it is. So go on those forums. That's one. Two is literally Google penny stocks and look up
Mm-hmm.
any website that says, oh, we give you the heads up on penny stocks. Sign up for their
Mm-hmm.
mailing list through like a fake email, an email just for penny stocks,
Mm-hmm.
and like every day they'll send you like penny stock information, and literally do that for as many um, websites you can, and
Mm-hmm.
just sign up for their mailing list, especially the ones that pay for their ads. Um, and you'll
Mm-hmm.
just see penny stocks, all the information because it's all hype. So you just want to hear what's relevant today. That's how you
Yeah.
do it. That's crazy, right? Like it's
And
like no.
you have the bears and the bulls fighting or whatever.
Oh yeah. So
The
yeah,
bears and the bulls.
the bulls are the pumpers for sure. There'll definitely be some bears in there like, nah, man,
Mm.
he's capping.
Yeah, I've been studying.
Yeah.
I've been studying.
No,
Yeah.
I see it because I was surprised by that. So yeah.
Yeah.
The bears, they'll be like, nah, he's capping and stuff. No, no, no. And the guy would come like
Mm-hmm.
literally come. I'm telling you, sometimes I even get fooled by the pumpers. Cause I'm like, yo, they're like, yo, the management is so good. They're they're so innovative. Blah blah blah
Mm-hmm.
blah. They're like, they'll have paragraphs, and I'm reading it. I'm like, let me stop because I might invest long term in this company,
Oh
and that's
my
literally the
god.
job is to do that,
Oh my
to
god.
get people like, yo, I'm gonna be the first one.
Yeah, I'm gonna be that guy that's gonna be like, I made millions off of this
Oh man,
company.
I'm gonna be the first one, and I'm gonna be so rich, and people
Oh my god.
lose so much amount of money. So, let's go to this chart if you don't mind. All right, can you see my screen? You
Yes.
see a chart?
Yes.
All right. All right. So this is um SRNE, which it acts very much like a penny stock, and this was a while ago, maybe like over a year ago.
Mm-hmm.
And you see it was trading like if you look all the way to the right, I'm at 398. So that's under $5. Sometimes even people I heard say under $10 is almost considered like a penny stock. It has like characteristics, but anything under five is a penny stock.
Okay.
So the reason why I want to show you this, it's not funny, but
That's
it
not
just
funny.
yeah, it's not funny, but it's just crazy how it works.
Okay.
So look at all these just like peaks.
Mm-hmm.
This is the pumpers doing their work. So we have it here. It's pumping, 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 pumping. It spikes up, goes down. So literally, this amount right here, this where this line goes up,
Mm-hmm.
somebody bought there. Somebody bought at that high, and then it literally went down all the way. And so
Wow.
I chose this stock because a lot of penny stocks work like this, but there's
Okay.
always like an interval where it just does this. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, and then look at this one. Like there's a big gap in here. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
and actually that's a good point. So this is called a gap up. So on this day where this line is on, and I'll move it out the way, this little
Mm-hmm.
green. So that day the price closed at whatever price it was, and then
Mm-hmm.
it gapped up. So that's a term that we use in trading. It gapped all the way up. So that means the next day there was a significant price increase. And
Okay.
then look at that, it's just number red. So the reason why this is important, look, another gap up, goes down. Look at this. Somebody bought up here. Man,
Dang.
that's I mean, it just sucks. So if you don't know what you're doing, don't play with penny stocks. Same here.
Yeah.
Capped up and then just goes down. Like a lot of people losing money. It's not fun. But a lot of people made a lot of money, and a lot of them are all those pumpers.
And what is this on a year?
Hmm?
What do you have this chart on?
Oh, this
Daily?
this is a few months. So it goes from like April
Oh, okay,
2019
okay. I was like, wow.
to November 2020. But see that far time span, it does the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
And it just goes up and down. So um, you got to look at charts and know what you're getting into. Oh yeah, the point that I want to bring up was, so especially on this day right here, if you heard the news or just saw something that saw, yo, look at this went up like 100%, 200%, I'm gonna get in
Mm-hmm.
on it. Not realizing that it does this every month and it comes back down.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
So would it
you
be
lose a lot of
smart
money.
to just like ride the wave? Put your money in, it's gonna go up. I mean, it's gonna go down, but you know it's gonna go back up. And then when it does go up high, you sell. Is that how that works?
So this is a span of, in that example that you just said,
Mm-hmm.
this is January 20th. So the next time it spiked up significantly was here, 4 months later. So are you
Oh,
okay with
wow.
losing a lot of money and keep it in there hoping? Because this is not a good stock, because it's
Yeah.
all trash. Hoping that it will go up again.
Yeah.
Because this is just hindsight. I mean, it could be this point where this is just what, March 19, and then
Mm.
it doesn't go up till 8 months later. Oh man, it's so bad.
Oh,
Stop sharing. So yeah, that's why you don't mess with you gotta go into what you're doing with penny stocks. You can make a lot of money, but
yeah.
it's definitely not a regular stock. It's not fundamental analysis. It's more
Mm.
like gambling, but like strategically. And I'm not
Yeah.
saying don't do penny stocks. I definitely take advantage of 'em here and there, but it's not a long term strategy at all.
Unless you have patience, if you can wait 8 months or something,
No,
and you have to no.
no, they're all
I mean,
trash. They could go bankrupt in like a week.
oh, trash like that.
Didn't you see Wolf of Wall Street?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, they was in a shed.
Hey, Amazon started in a garage, so
Were
I
they
mean,
publicly traded at that time though?
I don't know.
Okay.
Probably not.
Yeah.
I doubt it.
Hmm.
But I'm just saying,
Just
somebody
don't do
needs
it.
somebody
I
to
just
believe
gave
in
you
them.
a perfect. There's no reason to. I just gave you the strategy. There's no reason to play
I
games.
hear you.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that was it. I mean, yeah, that's penny stocks for you. Penny stocks 101.
Penny stocks 101. What? Okay, you say you dabble in penny stocks sometimes, right? So
Mm-hmm.
what would make you do that? Like which ones? Like
If I
what? Do you look at the charts and
no, there's no charts that would do it justice. Unless you're looking at the volume.
uh-huh.
So if you see the volume picking up, the next like day after day, then you know it probably is gonna explode. Um,
Okay.
but no, besides that, no fundamental analysis, no charts, just maybe volume, and it's the hype. That's it. It's the hype. It's all hype. It's not nothing. No investing skills are needed. It's the
Okay.
hype. Yeah. So yeah. That's
All
it.
right.
But yeah.
Go buy
So
me a kidding.
no, don't do it.
Just kidding.
But yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's all I had for you about the penny stocks.
Okay.
Yeah. So I guess till next time. Yeah, I'm John.
Till next time.
Monique.
Monique Benitez. Bye.